Hi, it's Kay here, and today I wanted to answer a question that I'm asked quite a lot. And the question is, are online courses better than face-to-face? And the answer is, it really depends on what you want. Now, there's lots of advantages about online courses, and the first thing is that they're available anytime, anywhere, as long as you've got internet available. So when you go into a face-to-face course, you've got to usually travel, even if it's just a little way. You've got to take time out at a specific date and time to get there and to be available for the face-to-face, while online courses are available 24 hours a day. Now, the other thing is with online courses, there's unless some of them you do have to pay for, some are free, but that's usually your only cost. While with a face-to-face course, you've got a course that you've got to maybe pay for travel or parking. You might have to pay for somebody to babysit your kids or take time off work. So there can be a lot of other associated courses with costs with face-to-face courses. While with online courses, it's usually only your upfront cost. Now, the other thing with online courses is that there's a huge choice. It doesn't matter where you are in the world. I'm in Australia and I can take online courses that are in the US or the UK, Canada, New Zealand, anywhere where the online course is available. Face to face would mean that I'd have to go there. So there's some advantages of doing online courses. And if you're an online creator, then you need to really think about how you can make online courses available to your audience. There's lots of ways to get your online courses up and running. I've got lots of videos available, and if you click the playlist below, you can see what other videos I've got. So I hope you found this useful. As I said, online courses are different to face-to-face. There's lots of advantages of online courses, including costs, no travel, available 24/7, and the choice of online courses is huge. So I hope you found this useful. Give me a thumbs up if you like this, and if you haven't subscribed, subscribe to my channel, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.